Hamlet, think of us as a father, or let the world take note. You are the most immediate to our throne.
Thought yet of Hamlet, our dearest brother's death, the memory be green, and that is us befitted to pierce our heart and grief, and our will to be contracted in one barrow of woe. Therefore, our sometime sister, now our queen, the imperial jointress to this warlike state have we, as 'twere with a defeated joy, with one species of one rapid eye, with merge and funeral, and with merge in marriage, taketh to wife.
Go on, I follow the beat.
I am thy father's spirit, doomed for a certain turn to walk the line, and for the day confined to fast in the fires. But that I forbid to tell the secrets of my prison's loss. I could a tale unfold, whose lightest word would harrow out thy soul. If thou didst ever hide me, father love, revenge is all and most unnatural word.
Murder?
Murder most foul as in the best it is, but this most foul, strange and unnatural. This giving out, that sleeping in my orchard, a serpent stung me, but no, thou noble youth, the serpent that did sting thy father's life, now wears his crown.
Oh my prophetic soul. Wait, Angel. Now, might do it, but now he is praying, and now I will do it. And he goes to heaven, and I am so revenged. That will be scanned. A villain kills my father, and for that I, his soul's son, do the same villain and send to heaven. Why, this hire a salary, not revenge, now to my mother.
This meet some more audience than a mother should over here.
Mother!
Withdraw, I hear him coming.
Mother!
Pray you be around with him.
Fear me not.
Mother, what's the matter now?
Hamlet, do was thy father much offended?
Mother, you have much father offended.
Come, come answer this with an idle tongue.
Go! Go! You can't ask with a wicked tongue.
Hamlet, why how now?
What's the matter now?
Have you forgot me?
No, with the road not so. You're the queen. Your husband's brother wife will be not so. You're my mother.
And then, I'll send this to you that can speak.
Come and sit you down. You should not be budge. You are not go until I set you off a glass, where I can see the most in part of you.
What will that do? Murder me?
How? A rat? Dead for a ducat? Dad.
Oh no. What has you done?
Nainab, is it the king?
Oh my. What a rush and bloody deed is this?
A bloody deed, almost as good as a bad mother. Farewell.
I must go to England. You know that.
Alas.
Where is the beauteous majesty of Denmark? Where is the...
How now, Pelia?
He is dead and gone. Oh lady, he is dead and gone. Lord, we know who we are, but not what we may be. I hope all will be well. We must be patient.
Where is the king? Let him stand before me. Where's my father? Dead.
Her clothes open wide, as one incapable of her own distress. But Lonko did not weep, but that her garments, heavy with their drink, pulled the poor wretch who muddy dead. Alas, as she droned.
You will lose this wagon, my lord.
I don't think so. I have been in continual practice. I shall win at times. I just need not to let him hit me.
If your mind is like anything, obey it.
Not a bit. The define to cure it.
When you are in motion, hot and dry, I have chance, which if he bats it, our purpose may falter. For that purpose, I will anoint my sword. I want an action of the mouth ban, so mortal that if I scratch him, it's will mean death. Come, Hamlet, take this hand from me. Stay. Hamlet.
This pearl is thine. Here's to thy health.
I play this half first. Set it by our way.
Our son shall live.
This is Canterbury. The prince carouses to die for Hamlet.
Gertrude, do not drink.
I will, my lord. I pray you pardon.
I dare not drink it.
Look at the queen!
The dream.
No medicine in the world can do that good.
His instrument in thy hand, unveiled and venom. The full practice had turned itself. This change could keepness with me noble heart. The king is the blade. Then venom to thy work.
Dangerous, dangerous Dante.